The Enron Intelligent Network, or EIN, is built to transport secure, high-quality broadband content. What makes the EIN particularly interesting to content providers is that we can deliver content not only to PCs, but also to television. That means that the content providers who traditionally broadcast their programming can now distribute their high-quality programming in a digital format. Enron is well positioned to attract content providers as customers. We have the network, plus we have Enron's unique commercial capabilities. This combination enables us to structure flexible solutions for our customers. As you'll see, we're delivering content on demand now. We're executing on contracts. To show how we're doing that, here's the process we're using to deliver movies on demand. Our customers, such as Blockbuster, are content owners and/or aggregators. They obtain the rights to distribute movies from movie studios. The movies go first to an encoding house where the film is encoded so that it can be distributed electronically. Enron works with partner encoding houses and takes over management of the movies at this stage. The encoded movies come here to Enron's Video Data Center in Houston for processing and distribution. At the Video Data Center, we have racks configured with Sun Netra servers and N-Cube Media Cube servers. The N-Cube servers add commands that enable the viewers to use VCR-like features while watching the movie. Features like pause, rewind, and fast forward. Once the commands are added, the movie goes to a Sun server where metadata is associated with the movie file. Metadata is information about the movie, like the title, director, actors, synopsis, rating, cost to rent, and so on. The movie file is then sent to a server at one of Enron's broadband distribution partner points of presence, or POP. In the industry, this is known as the edge of the network. Here, the movie is positioned for access by end users. Only one electronic copy of each movie is stored on a server at each broadband distribution partner POP. One edge server can stream hundreds of simultaneous streams. Additional servers can easily be added for greater scale. It is important to note that each individual stream is independently controllable. That is, each and every end user can start, stop, pause, rewind, or fast forward the movie without affecting the experience of the other people who happen to be renting the same movie at the same time. From the POPs, the movies leave Enron's network and travel the last mile to the end user by way of our broadband distribution partners. Enron is not tied exclusively to any one last mile provider. We'll connect our servers to any distribution partner that's able and willing to commit to delivering quality and speed that meets Enron's quality of service requirements. It's important to understand that Enron can work with both DSL and fiber cable networks, and that we're actively working to further extend the reach of our digital distribution network. When end-use customers are ready to rent a movie, they use their remote controls to activate their television set-top boxes. Set-top boxes are connected to a splitter that distributes broadband connectivity to the user's home computer. This allows users to watch a movie and surf the internet and talk on the phone simultaneously. When users activate their set-top boxes, a graphical user interface comes up on their screens. From the main menu of the graphical user interface, users can either review their accounts or purchase movies. If they choose to review their accounts, they can establish password-protected parental control, review their account history, or set spending limits. To select and purchase a movie, users can choose from a variety of categories of movies. When they select a movie, a synopsis about the movie appears, and the users have the opportunity to watch the movie's trailer. If they decide that's not the movie they want to watch, they can return to the main menu and select a different movie. Once the end user selects the movie, it takes just a second for the video stream to begin. The movie is streamed through the set-top box to the end user's television. But before the encoded movie file leaves the set-top box, it is run real-time through the Macrovision software, which is housed in the set-top box. The Macrovision software prevents copying of the movie. Movie files are distributed through the network with a high priority quality of service designation, which means that the switches within the network are set to prioritize movie files and push them ahead of all other content being streamed through the network. To make sure that the quality of the stream meets Enron standards, All streams are continuously monitored at Enron's Video Operations Center in Houston. Enron monitors the technical efficiency of the physical network, the servers, the switching equipment, and the end-user set-top boxes. Should Enron monitor any significant streaming errors, adjustments can be made before end users see any impact of service. As you can see, Enron has the network in place to deliver content on demand. More importantly, as evidenced by our deal with Blockbuster, we have the commercial model in place as well. With this combination, we can offer content owners a powerful, new delivery platform.